Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to access resources on the website and what you have to do. First, go to the Learning Resources page. Click here. You will find 4 main resources about cyberbullying. Please take your time reading and watching and take notes if needed. After finishing this page, please go to the Activity and Quiz page. Click here. You will find an activity that you have to do and a multiple choice quiz that you have to complete. All the questions are based on information given on the Learning Resources page. If you need more information about cyberbullying, please go to the Extra Resources page. If you are being cyberbullied and you need help, please visit the Help page. Finally, to access the website references, please click here. Thank you.